Hi, I'm Madeline, your party-loving bestie with several decades of experience attending and hosting parties. And I don't know about you, but I love a good party invite. I'm so grateful and appreciative, but I might not be so excited to miss one of those last-minute invites. So today's tutorial is a 5-minute party look with only 5 items that you might already have in your bathroom. And if you don't have it in your makeup, I'll list the links below just so that you can find them, and stick around to the end for the angel secret of the day. Let's get started. Item number 1 is a Tinted CC Cream moisturizer with SPF. You're going to use a color that matches your skin tone and blend it in with your fingers so that it just gives you a foundation color to start with. And the moisturizer also gives you a glow. Next I have these OG cream sticks. So you have a highlighter, a bronzer, and a cheek color. I'm going to start with the cheek color. And the cheek color, I'm going to just do little rotations on my cheeks at the top. Kind of area all the way up. I'm gonna give it a little dab on the end of my nose, and then I'm gonna line my lips also. I'm gonna grab this highlighter. I'm gonna take the highlighter over the top, highlighting the top edge where I put the blush. But I don't want to go into this under eye area too much because you don't want to highlight your under eye. You just want to highlight the top edge of this blush area with this highlight. If you get any blush on it, you can just kind of like scrape it off a little bit. Then I get the inside corner of my eyes and brow bone with the highlighter. Now, if there's anywhere that you want to highlight, you can do that as well. But I really like highlighting the cheekbones. Lastly, the bronzer, you're going to make 3s on each side. Starting at the top, here's the bronzer, roll it up. So here is what the 3 looks like. I start at the top, go down your natural line, and then down below. So it kind of makes like a weird 3 shape, and then down below. If you want to make your nose look smaller, you can do a little bit of contouring on the sides of your nose. I kind of have a narrow nose anyway. But then I use this for my eyeshadow. And the outside edge, just give a little smudge there on the outside edge. And then if you need to use the edge to fill in your brows a little bit, I use the edge just to fill in the brows. Okay, so now we're just gonna use our hands to blend it all in. And if you need to use like a paper towel or something in between the colors, that's fine. Blend it around here and get the edges. And I'm gonna blend my eye. Okay. Nice. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna come back in with my highlighter and just touch up a couple of things. All right, I'm gonna give a highlight on my lips. I'm gonna do it just a dab more of a highlighter here on my eyes just to brighten them up a little bit after blending. And that brow bone. And then I need to touch up underneath my eyes with this Tinted Moisturizer just to give a little bit more. See, I just want to highlight underneath my eyes as well as cover up those dark circles. Anywhere else that I want highlighted with the Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, lastly, we're just going to do a mascara and you'll be finished with your 5-minute look. Congratulations, you made it to the angel secret of the day. For natural looking eye makeup, always curl your lashes and start with 1 thin coat of mascara. If you want thicker than that, apply thin coats 1 at a time. It's a runway model's secret, and sometimes they apply up to 6 coats. If you learned something today, like this video so it will be shared with others, and subscribe if you loved this video to Party Theme Angel. Keep radiating joy and celebrating life, and we'll see you at the next party.